In this video, we're going to evaluate a definite integral with limits of integration. Lower limit is e, upper limit is e to the pi over 2, and then the integrand is the sine of natural log of x over x. So I'm going to try a U-substitution. I know the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So I'm going to let u equal to ln of x. So du will be the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x, and then just dx here. I'm going to change the limits of integration here. So notice if x is equal to e, ln of e is 1. Replace the x by e, that's 1. And then for the upper limit, if x is equal to e to the pi over 2, the natural log of e, power of pi over 2, that'll give me pi over 2. So this will give me then the integral of lower limit will be 1 then, from this one here, and the upper limit will be pi over 2. And then this will be the sine, and ln of x, that's u. This will be u here. And notice here, I have dx over x. dx over x, that's this part right here. So that's du. So dx over x is du. And then we integrate here. Antiderivative of sine is minus cosine of u. And this is 1 to pi over 2. And then we evaluate this then. This will be minus cosine. Upper limit then is pi over 2. And then it's minus, instead of plus then, cosine of. Okay, so we enter the pi over 2, and then it's minus negative cosine of 1. Instead of plus here. Cosine of pi over 2, that's a 0. And a negative here, that's still going to be 0. So this gives me then cosine of 1. And that's the exact value. But if you want an approximation, then you want cosine of 1, use your calculator. So this is the exact value right here. If you want an approximation, use your calculator, be 0.2403 to 4 places, and that's your answer. Now keep in mind though that if you have your calculator set to degrees, it's not going to work. You have degrees, then this will be cosine of 1 degree. This is actually radian, so it's a number, so it's radian. So make sure that you use your calculator here. So here you have it in radians. So it's cosine of 1, and there it is. 0.5403 to 4 places. So you go to mode here, we have it in terms of radians. Now if you have it set to degrees, then this would be cosine of 1, and that's what you have. It's not correct because it's in degrees, so we want it in radians. Cosine of 1 radian, so it's 0.5403. So make sure that you have it in terms of radians. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.